Hey everyone, just wanted to pop in and say hi on this video. As you saw, I got my flower bed cleaned out. I'm very relieved to have that done, thankfully with the help of my mom. It was fun to work on the project together. I don't normally plant things. We have so many produce stands in the area and I buy my fresh produce there, but I thought it would be fun this year to actually grow my own here in the flower bed. So I'm excited to have those for fresh eating. I love those early fresh onions and lettuce and radishes. So hope you all are doing well. Thanks for tuning in and for watching. Kuka. Technically should have put water in these right after planting or just before I put them in the ground, but it's supposed to rain and I thought it'll be okay, but I don't know, I feel like they're looking a little droopy maybe, so maybe I'll just water them. Starting to sprinkle. It's a very dreary, sort of dark, cozy-ish day. These trees here are really starting to bloom. They're beautiful. Hey y'all, and happy Friday. I am getting ready to do the drawing today and then maybe run to town and get some baskets and bins because I want to clean out my refrigerator. My fridge needs help so bad. And with being freshly stocked with the Aldi run last night, I thought it'd be a great time to run to town, get some baskets at Dollar Tree. Anyway, so I don't know if that'll happen today or not. It is so nice today, so beautiful. And I have some yard work. I was doing some yard work the other night. I had showed y'all, and you can see through the window there how sunny and beautiful it is. I'll go over there and show y'all. The yard work I was doing the other night did not get quite finished, and then we had rain and very cold for the last 2 days. Now it's beautiful today and supposed to rain tomorrow, Saturday. So I want to go out and get the rest of the yard work done. Anyway, so I'm trying to decide if I want to just go out now and do it while it's sunny, or run to town while I'm kind of dressed for it. and then change when I get back and go out there and get that done. But all that to say, I'm getting ready to do the drawing for the comments y'all left on my reading vlog. Thank y'all. I got some good suggestions, some books that I'm going to be checking into. And for me, just an update on how the reading is going. It took me a little bit to get into it, a couple nights, but I am trying to read every day, and I'm now ready for chapter 14, I believe. But let's get to the drawing. So I have a number of names in here. Let me just stir it up real good. I'm just not gonna look, and let me grab a name. Not looking at you guys. See who it is. Oh, I can't wait. It is Mary Good. You see that? Mary Good. Get this better. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There, you can see it focused. I think you were the one that was talking about reading Light from Heaven to your family. And yes, I read that book several times in my youth until it finally felt so sad. I was like, I can't read this book anymore. That is Light from Heaven by Christmas Carol Kaufman. So Mary Good, if you could email me your address, I will send you a little something. And I'll leave my email address below. You can find it in the description box. All right, I am back home again from Dollar Tree. I've got some gardening gloves that I really needed to do yard work. And I just got a bunch of baskets because I didn't know, I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to envision until I get started. I got some of these gray ones. I wish they would have had other baskets in this color. This big basket I kind of liked. It's not really the color I was going for, but I thought that might be nice to set some taller things. And I also got these little ones. I thought that might be nice to just like set in here. And then if I have like garlic and things like that, I can store them in there. And here is the disaster that needs to be organized. I am hoping to get a new fridge here in the next weeks or months. This fridge was here when I moved in. I'm just renting the apartment for those of you who don't know. And I was grateful not to have to go buy new appliances. And this one still works, but there's just pieces to it broken, and it's just an older fridge. And I would love to have a little bit newer, probably a stainless steel one. Y'all can let me know how you think that would look in here with the other black appliances. As far as organizing the fridge, something that has really helped me is to use baskets and bins. I'm not naturally an organized person, and I tend to just kind of throw things in a drawer, and with baskets and bins, you can still kind of throw things in somewhere. But if you have them separated into the bins, then it won't like clutter the whole drawer or the whole fridge. And also, once I have it organized, it's not going to stay that way forever. Even if I'm using baskets and bins, I'm realizing I need to go back and kind of relook at things every couple weeks and reorganize again, kind of staying on top of it. Alright y'all, this is what I've gotten so far. It really helped to just get rid of some things. I'm sure this will be switched up sometimes. I really like the deep basket back there for, as you can tell, I have cucumber, lettuce, my cilantro, green onions, some of the taller things in there. In the back there, I have some like Mexican, like my salsa and some Mexican cheese. And I would like to get some more of the sticky labels. I was out of those, but once I get some more of those, I'd like to label some other of these baskets. Alright, I will show you the freezer. I just thought about it. I'm not sure if I had a before picture of that. It looked kind of bad, but not as bad as the fridge. So I labeled my bins for frozen vegetables, meat, and pizza items, and then just have bread up here. And in the back here I have a baking pan, which is like my oatmeal and flour and things that I don't use right away. And now it's just to clean up the kitchen. There's all the dishes that I got out of the fridge that need to be put in the dishwasher, and put this stuff all away and then call it a night. It's getting late and I'm tired. I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you all so much for following along, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.